guys, welcome back to my channel Bongnitic, and I'm Pallavi Das with you guys. So guys, this is another requested video by you guys, that is a foundation comparison. So today's foundation comparison is going to be Nykaa Skin Shield foundation and our very own very lovable Fit Me foundation, the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. So one of you wanted to know that which one is better and which one she should get her hands on. So I'm going to talk about both of this foundation today, so let's get started with the video. So guys, let's start with the very Purana, very lovable foundation, that is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I'm in the shade 310 Sun Beige, but this is tad bit light on my skin tone. I'm going to get the 228 Rich Tan shade. That would be probably my exact skin tone. This is a bit on the pinkish side, so this looks a little bit pinky on my skin. Anyway, let's get started with the video, that is with the foundation. So you can see that this foundation is a very medium, very sheer to medium coverage foundation. This is not at all a high coverage foundation. So you can see this is the foundation on one layer, or in my face you can see my blemishes, my dark spots and everything. So this is the foundation, and yeah, this says that this is matte plus poreless, but this isn't matte foundation. I would say I have a oily skin, so this doesn't feel very matte on my skin. I feel the Huda Beauty foundation is more matte, and as well as the NYX Construct Bone Stuff foundation is more matte than this one. This is a semi matte, you can say. It does not control my oil. It like probably I can say for an hour or 2 hours this does a good job. This stays intact if you set it with powder and all. But after 2 hours it starts my nose area where I tend to sweat a lot, where the sebum secretion is more. So on these area I tend to get oily again, even setting with powder. But as this says, this is matte, but this isn't really matte foundation. By the way, this costs rupees 550. I just need to check. So this foundation costs 550 rupees and comes in 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18. Comes in 18 shades in India. So they do have a good number of shade range. I would say they do have dark shade as well as light shade, but I feel they should input more yellow toned, yellow undertone medium shades, because I don't think so they have a lot of yellow undertone medium shades. They do have dark shades and pink toned medium and fair shades. So I feel they should include yellow toned shades as well. Otherwise, this foundation is a really very budget friendly foundation. If you're new to makeup, this is going to be a good best friend of yours. And if you do not like, especially if you do not like high coverage foundation, then you can definitely get your hands on this. But if you like high coverage foundation just like I do, then this is not going to be a very good foundation for you. This is almost, you can say, a regular wear foundation. If you use like one layer of this, like it will give you a BB cream kind of effect if you use a very little bit or like one pump of this. So by the way, now this foundation comes in pump. Before this did not have any pump on it. This was just round and you need to pour it like this, but right now this comes in pump, which is really good. So as this says, this is for normal to oily skin. Yes, this is for normal to oily skin. If you are on the dry skin, then do not go for this foundation. This might make your face more dry. But if you want to try out, if you are on budget, then you can definitely go with this. But underneath your foundation, use a hydrating primer like a luminous primer or a oil if you want to. So you need to moisturize well if you're from dry skin before using this foundation. And if you're from oily skin, you can definitely go ahead, get this foundation. But I would say that this doesn't really control your oil secretion for a long time. So let's get on to the next foundation, that is the Nykaa Skin Shield Genius foundation, which looks like this. Comes in a black tube packaging. So About this foundation, I have a full review on my channel. I'll leave it somewhere in the I button and in the description box as well, so do check it out if you want a full in-depth review about this. So this foundation claims that this is triple active this is anti-pollution, deep hydration, oil control action. So this isn't a matte foundation, this is a well, what should I say, this is a demi matte foundation, like the L'Oreal Pro Matte Foundation, I guess that is the name of that foundation. So it is kind of like that. But about the price range, this costs rupees 799, which is almost 800, and this comes in a shade, I guess, 12. So this foundation comes in 15 shades, and the price is 799. The shade range is really well. They do have nice dark shades as well, so you can definitely pick your shade from this range as well. But I would say, according to the foundation, the price range, this is not that great, I feel. I know many people like this foundation, but I'm not a big fan of this foundation. You can see the demonstration. So you can see I just applied one layer. This does blend really quick, blends beautifully, looks very beautiful on your skin. But this doesn't control oil at all. This is not at all an oil control foundation. This stays almost like 2 hours on your 1.5 hours on your face intact. At least on my face, I have really oily skin, oily acne prone skin. So you can see this did not hide my blemishes again, and this is an okayish foundation, I would say. So I'm right now wearing this foundation right now on my face right now, but it has been almost 1 hour I'm wearing this foundation, and I can already see like oil secretion over here and here on my nose, which tends to sweat first. So this is an okayish foundation according to the price range. If the price range would be little less, then it would have been a great foundation, but इस price में you'll get much better foundation. Just like Maybelline, you get it for 550, just for 550, and this is for 800. And both this foundation is 30 ml foundation, so you can get whatever you want. So let's jump on to the main comparison between these two. I'll just sum up a bit so that it's clear for you guys. So about the coverage, I would say then both of the coverage is equally same. Both are sheer to medium coverage foundation. I would say if you layer this one up, you might get a full coverage, but this does get cakey if you have really oily skin. So if you layer it up, this might get cakey on your face. But this one is a good foundation. If you layer it up, this doesn't get cakey, but you need to set it really well. The next thing that is the price range. This is only for rupees 550, so this is such a beginner friendly foundation, and this retails for rupees 800. If you want to get this, then I would recommend get it on a discount during sale. Nykaa has immense sale going on, so get this during discount. I did that thing personally because I didn't want to spend 800 rupees on this foundation. Saying the lasting power, this lasts much more than this on my face at least, but it again depends on face skin type. So it will depend something else on you and something else on me, so that you need to check. And the next thing is that this says this is matte plus poreless, but this isn't matte. This is matte, but this is not fully matte. This is semi matte, and this is kind of demi matte, like if you can understand the difference. Like this does mattify your skin, but this doesn't mattify your skin at all. So if you are new to makeup and if you want to buy, like if you want to choose between these two, then I would definitely refer this one over this foundation because this is budget friendly. You get quite a lot of shades you can choose from, as well as this blends beautifully. This stays more than this, and you can definitely get this. I would just say get this one. But if you want to try something new, you can definitely get this. It's your decision. I won't obviously force you to get this one. You can definitely get this one if you want to try out. but yeah, this does gives a very good finish to your skin, but this is a little expensive, so it's your choice. So guys, that was all the comparison that I had to say about this two foundation. Like at the end I mentioned the points as well, so it's up to you what you want to buy, but both the foundation are good at their points, so it's your decision totally. So if you like the video, I know this is really small, but I tried to keep the main points in it. I did not want to blabber a lot about these foundations because there are many reviews about this foundation, and myself I have reviewed about this foundation, so I did not want it to blabber a lot and make this video a long video. So I hope you guys liked it and it was informative as well. So if you like this video, then you know that you need to give a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, comment down and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon beside it so you do not miss any video that I upload. So if you like this video and you want me to make more these kind of videos, so what you need to do is like and shower your love, so I get that spirit again and motivation, and I can create such videos for you guys. Till then, stay healthy and stay beautiful. Bye bye.